with Jack Dionela. And we also have Fatima Reyes with us at courtside for this matchup. Patuloy pa rin nilang tina-target si Dolorito.
I mean, kung effective, why not?
Pero nakabawi si Jonah. Jonah getting that point.
Baka yun talaga yung game plan nila. Pagudin si Dolorito.
As a libero, pag napapansin mo na tina-target yung primary spiker, anong adjustment yung sinasabi mo sa kanya or ginagawa nyo as a team?
Magpakita lang siya. Kung tina-target siya. Kasi you also gotta give your teammate confidence. As long as nakukuha niya naman ng maayos, it's okay. Pero pag medyo yung trouble na nakaka-ace na sa kanya ng, bibigyan ko pa siya ng once or twice. Yung mga 1-2 chances.
Yeah.
Tapos tatanungin ko na siya, do you need help?
Ayan. So,
Yan.
kukunin mo na
Kukunin
if
ko
ever.
na yan. Papakita ko, ang gagawin ko, iba-iba kasi in diskarte. Ako, usually ginagawa ko, magpakita ka muna kasi baka pag nakita nilang nakaabang na ako, hindi nila bibigay sa akin for sure kasi syempre, that's my job to receive.
Yeah.
So, kahayaan ko lang muna. Tapos split second, saka ako lilipat.
Yeah, that's good perspective right there. Kasi all game long talagang
all game
dinadala
long.
sa kanya
Yes, I think ano rin yun, strategy ng coaches.
Oh, ayan. That's what you were just saying. Just show up, show na kaya mong i-receive ng maayos.
Of course.
What a dig by Dolorito on that down the line by
line.
Sari.
Yes, and malaking confidence booster yun kapag hinahayaan mo rin makabawi yung teammate mo.
Ganda nun.
Like that. I mean,
what a
naka-error.
save.
Yeah.
What a save by Dolorito.
Nice set.
Mochillas. Sari picked up by Dolorito.
Yes. Working hard. Nice.
Sari on the drop.
Grabe, ang ganda ng mga defense. This rally. Another one.
Oh, back set. Judiel.
Oh! Yun lang.
Galing. Alberto didn't know where the ball was.
Hindi niya nakita. Sayang.
It
but,
was right above her.
Nagkatinginan sila.
O, saan na napunta?
But I think yung mga ganung bola dapat sa libero na talaga. Kasi merong mga bola na hindi na nakikita ng blockers. Lalo yung mga nasa likod nila. So, technically, that's the libero's job. Especially yung ganung kataas.
Sari with a point. So, a Nitura point and a Sari point ties the match.
Tayo na naman tayo.
Di pa natin nakikita si Gia Makilang in this match.
Nice
Although,
pass.
as we see this hit by Pascual, Nitura did explain it to us na rotation talaga sila. May mga times na mas gagamitin yung isang player kesa dun sa isa. So I think today it's Yen Martin's time.
I mean, that's good kasi it gives everyone confidence at saka para ma-showcase naman yung talent nila.
At yun din yung challenge, ano? Pag malalim yung rotation.
Ay, yung rotation, yes. And everyone deserves a chance, of course.
Pascual.
Nice.
Sari.
Dolorito again.
Pascual na naman. Oh!
Parang si Dolorito na yung second libero.
Pasok.
Pasok.
Yeah, you know, we have to applaud Dolorito also sa kanyang
Yes, of
depensa.
course. Yes. Hindi rin biro yung mga inangat niyang bola. And also, medyo mahirap yung ditong side ha. Yung down the line.
Yun ba yung pinakamahirap from your experience?
Hindi siya totally yung pinaka-position. Kasi most of the time, liberos are nasa cross-court dito sa zone zone 5 and 6 usually. So, pero kasi nag-ano rin ako nag-service specialist ako. There was a time na nag-service specialist ako. Nasa zone 1 ako.
Okay.
Medyo mahirap kasi parang, siguro dahil hindi ako sanay.
Overpass. Estranier,
1-2 play.
papalo. Yeah. And we see that once in a while from Nat Estranier. Pumapalo talaga yan. Ang spiking setter.
I mean, it's a good time to spike that ball. Walang blockers.
Ganda ng basa ni Nat doon. And good read by Dolorito. Pinapawisan na ba si Judiel? Light work for Judiel.
Pero kasi, syempre, yung mga teammates niya, tumutulong din talaga. So, di ba? Less work for her.
Sari, off the block.
Off the block.
Ang nakakatakot dito sa Letran, hindi pa tayo nakakita ng yung monster game from Vanessa Sari. Feeling ko lalabas yan sa playoffs na eh.
Yes, for sure. Yun yung mga must-win games talaga.
Yung mga tipong kahit tatlo na yung blockers,
Blockers, yes.
nalulusutan pa rin ni Vanessa, nababasag pa rin.
Yes. Oh,
Down the
down
line.
the line.
Very promising. This rookie, Sheila Pascual.
And she looks like she's just enjoying. Tignan mo
Yeah.
naman, di ba? From blockings to offense. She celebrates every point.
And that's the way it should be.
Yes.
Remember why you started.
Of course. I mean, yung mga ganitong moments, minsan lang to.
Letran is up 8-6, and when we come back, magre-report ulit si Fatima Reyes.
Welcome back mga kapuso. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang ating NCAA Season 101 Women's Volleyball Action. At para sa panig ng Lady Pirates, they claim that they are more than what meets the eye. But the problem is, they're struggling to show it, especially when it is needed the most. Kaya in the huddle, pinaalala ni Coach Cromwell na kung meron man daw pressure, hindi raw sila ang may bitbit nun. Kaya huwag silang nagmamadali. He also reminded the Lady Pirates that it all starts with good first ball, and that is what he demands them to do. Huling paalala nga ni Coach Cromwell ay huwag silang masyadong lumayo sa posisyon nila dahil hindi naman daw sila magkakagalit. Balik sa inyo, Anton at Jack.
Nice, coach.
Yun yung mga light moments that we get from our courtside reporters like Fatima.
Yes. I mean, di ba, wala na, nothing, yun nga yung sabi mo kanina, di ba? Nothing tulos naman tayo. So, might as well enjoy and just give it all you got.
Martin finding the open spot on zone 5.
Pascual,
Dolorito.
harap na si Dolorito.
Oh, Estradier was on the floor. Walang nag-set. Rare. Rare instance na hindi nakapag-set ang Letran. And Mayet Carolino concerned dahil hindi nakatayo agad si Nat. But double thumbs up from Estradier.
Ganyan naman talaga lahat ng players. Coach, okay lang ako. Kahit
thumbs up.
iika na. Okay na ako, coach.
Pero kita natin, concerned talaga si Coach Mayet.
Yes.
That's the first time I saw her na talagang wala ng second
Walang
touch.
second touch.
Walang nag-set. As in, she was on the floor.
Oo. Siguro kasi tinignan din ng mga teammates niya kung ano nangyari sa kanya.
Parang nagtaka rin sina Judiel ba't hindi nakatayo si Nat?
Oops. Silva wasn't ready that time.
Oh, Dolorito.
Here comes Dolorito. I mean, siguro kailangan lang ng konting spark. Siguro yun yung hinahanap ni coach sa team niya. On this side of Lyceum. Like that. I think they'll challenge this for overreaching.
Reaching beyond.
Reaching beyond. Pwede. I say pwede.
Parang ang dramatic ng term, reaching beyond.
Reaching beyond. Kasi ano bawal mong abutin yung bola kapag nasa side pa ng kabilang court. Kailangan mong antayin na pumasok muna dun sa may area.
Si Coach Mayat, pinapasali nila sa challenge dances nila.
Siguro ang cool lang na coach ni Coach Mayat.
Nasa gitna pa talaga si Coach Mayat.
Pa.
Si Ces Tumayaw. Si Roxy, Super Roxy.
Yes. Yes, clearly it's a reaching beyond call.
Reaching
Kita.
beyond.
Nasa kabilang side pa kasi.
Jack, ano bang part ng kamay ang mako-consider mo na reaching beyond?
Itong buong buong
So,
handstand.
sa wrist area?
Sa wrist area.
Okay.
Tsaka yung kasi, yung flight ng bola dapat papunta na sa inyo.
Minsan kasi
Sa kabilang side,
yung daliri, hindi pa yun reaching beyond, di ba? Pag daliri lang.
I think anything na nag-pass dun sa may net is reaching beyond.
Oh, wow. What a
What a
save.
save.
Judiel. Habang nagkakagulo sa other side, relax
Nice
lang
block.
si Judiel. Dolorito.
Oh!
Sayang.
Wow. Silva with a nice save. Buwis buhay.
Buwis buhay, dig.
Yun lang, no? Pagkatapos nung buwis buhay dig. Outside from Martin. But sabi ko nga kanina, at this point, alaw ka pa, medyo okay lang mag-error pa at this time kasi medyo malayo pa.
Malakas.
Back-to-back errors.
Rinig na rinig natin yun.
Back-to-back service errors. From both teams. Si Coach napailing na lang talaga eh. Kita ko yung iling ni Coach.
Pascual, ang layo. Sari.
Medyo malayo rin kasi yung mga pase. Yun yung hina-highlight ni Coach kanina. Mag-umpisa tayo sa magandang pass para makapag-play tayo.
What a set by Estrelier. Jump set. We have a timeout.
Sabi ko nga, diba, disiplina doon sa ginagawa. Okay, ito na yung tao mo. Okay, priority mo na yan. Bigyan mo dito. Paano makahabol ka agad yan? O lumapit ka na kagad doon pag nasa kanila na yung bola. Naintindihan? nakukuha. Sabi ko sa inyo, hindi po pwedeng magkakampal. Magkakampal yung error na ginagawa natin. Pag nag-error tayo, dapat makabawi kagad tayo ng isa. Kasi sayang Oh.
Actually, hindi lang, I think sa lahat ng coach, maririnig mo yung ganong ganong advice na wag naman sana magkasunod kasi medyo mahirap habulin talaga. And nagiging domino effect kasi yun eh. So as much as possible, putol na kaagad. Puntos tayo agad.
Mochilias. May check ba?
Confident
I-review
siya
yan.
na may check eh.
Yeah, actually, unang tingin ko, kasi nakaupo tayo dito sa bleachers, so kita natin
Kita
yung...
natin.
It looked like there was a touch talaga.
Tsaka ano eh, confident siya na may check eh.
Kaya lang, minsan,
Yeah. Tinatanong ko nga yun din eh. Kasi syempre hindi naman ako spiker, di ba? Nakikita nyo ba yun? Most of the time daw, oo. Kasi hindi ko naman siya na-experience. Yung, syempre spiker ka, di ba? Nasa Erica. Paano nila nakikita yun? So, minsan curious din talaga ako eh. So, sabi nila, yeah, most of the time nakikita nila kung check.
Lalo na sa bilis, no? Parang...
Oo, parang, di ba? Tayo nga nanonood, minsan parang doubtful pa tayo.
Silva giving it to Sari.
Pero, abang na abang. Dolorito.
Pascual, ready. Si Martin, back set. Julia.
Wow.
Ang dali lang ng volleyball
Yes.
para kay...
That's what I'm about to say. Parang super chill lang siya.
Queen of the court, Julia Nitura.
Wow.
Tama tayo, ang dali lang ng volleyball para kay Julia.
Taas ng volleyball IQ.
And Natran is up 16 to 11. Exhibit A. Judiel Nitura plays volleyball. She is the best opposite hitter here in the NCAA, and she's also a deadly server. That's Judiel Nitura for you. Ashley Mochilias, clean hit.
Ang ganda naman ang cross-court na spike nun ni Mochilias.
So,
Very
linis.
clean. Right in the middle of the blockers.
Untouched.
Untouched.
Galedo. Back on the floor. Team captain for the LPU Lady Pirates.
Good pass. Oh,
That's a point for
Galedo. Sari picking it up. Sari cross court. Dolorito.
attack went out.
outside. Too much
Malakas.
power.
Vanessa on the reserve for the club.
Medyo nagkalituhan pa kung sino mag-over.
Martin on the drop. Pascual. Sari. Estrelier goes to the middle for Isar. This time, Lopez will hit. Pascual. And Pascual is able to score.
Yes. After 3 attempts.
No quit in this rookie. Sheila Pascual.
Now in the service area, Sheila Pascual with 8 points already.
Estrelier. Martin.
Oh. Kita mo na yung pag-twist ng kamay ni Martin.
Yan Martin, pinapakita sa atin na the serve yung pag-start niya
Yes.
today. Great contributions from Yen Martin.
Sabi niya, Coach, kayang-kaya ko din. That's the spirit.
Lopez.
Oops. Ah. Again, these errors. Ito yung mga dapat iwasan para makahabol itong Lyceum.
Kakaiba yung hair clip ni Vanessa. Star. Bagay naman, she is a star here
Yes.
in the NCAA.
Ooh.
And one of the bright young stars in Philippine volleyball.
Cross court.
Dolorito.
Oh. Sabi ni Dolorito, ako naman. This time around.
And off the block, Jonah Dolorito. Osada.
Nice pass.
Oh, Lady
Ooh.
Pirates hustling.
Wow.
Balik ang
Still
bola
alive.
sa Letran side. Martin!
Good hustle from Lyceum. But still, masyadong malakas ang offense ng Letran.
What a spike by Yen Martin.
Martin earning her spot in this game. Pascual from the back. Medyo kinapos lang.
Palang Padilla active.
Activated ang ating mga middle blockers.
Ready.
Pero well, ganun talaga kapag maganda ang pass. Halos di na gumagalaw yung setter. Kaya marami siyang option.
Pag umatake yung middle, saan tayo pupunta? Ito na yung itsura natin. Ako po doon na kagad yung coverage. Huwag na kayong pupunta rito, wala na kayong babasahin dyan. Pabayaan nyo na to. Ito lang bahala dyan. Okay? Basa tayo na sinaservice ng kalaban. Ang taas ng lutang. Okay, kailangan mapulot natin ng maayos. Set na maayos.
Let's go, ate! 1, 2, 3, fight it!
So instructions, reminders from Coach Cromwell tuwing umaatake ang mga middles.
I think yung gusto niyang instruction yung coverage, yung from blockings, yung mga nadi-deflect na bola, yung kailangan abangan.
Lopez.
Silva setting this one.
Lopez will
Lopez
try
again.
again. Sinabayan ng dalawang blockers.
Pascual
Back row
from the
from
back.
Pascual. Silva was there. Back set, Judiel. And a rare hitting error from Judiel Netura.
Sabi niya, buka. Narinig ko.
Number 30, Pagkat Hoye. Number 11, Pagkat Ikaw. Number 20,
5-point lead. Dito sa Letran.
Back set, Netura. Mochillas.
And also a very rare na mabagsakan mo si Silva.
Tama yung timpla.
Masyadong naka-atras si Silva that time on the defense.
Sakto lang yung contact ni Mochillas doon.
Yes.
To drop it right in front of Silva.
Ball control.
Silva, wow, absorbing.
Bumawi ka agad.
Absorbing that hit, and Martin goes cross-court. Grabe.
Grabe.
Gusto ko yung pag-celebrate ni Larame after makapuntos ni Yen. Kasi siyempre, siya yung reason kung ba't nagpatuloy yung rally na yun.
Yes.
9 points for Yen Martin. Mochillas.
Oh, again. So far, effective yung mga off-speed hit dito sa against Letran. And they have to do something about it kasi nakadalawa na.
Dolorito. Oh, that hurts.
That hurts.
Kasi naghahabol itong LPU side, and
Yun na nga yung mga ganitong part na yung you can't afford to have service error kasi naghahabol ka na tapos pa endgame na eh. Walang kalaban-laban kumbaga.
Mochillas.
See? Parang late. Itong Lyceum, parang ang strategy ngayon is through off-speed. Mga controlled spike. Masyado naka-atras ang defense ng Letran.
Gina Banares is in. LPU down by 4. Ouch.
Ouch. Back to back. Ah. Kita mo na parang nanghihina na si Coach. I mean, natawa na lang si Coach. Coach, okay lang yan. Sige.
Service specialist na nga.
Yun.
24-19. Set point for Letran. Pascual.
Pascual.
Tatapusin na kaya.
Silva
Ses.
with a perfect form.
Tumayaw, giving it to Sari.
Good up. Pascual again.
Oh!
Overcooked. But good try. I mean, dapat buo pa rin loob mo kahit anong set pa yan.
So it's the same score.
Yeah.
25-19.
Kambal, sabi ni Coach.
Yun yung masakit doon. Yung magkakambal na error.
Kambal.
Magkakambal pa na set.
Yeah.
Kaya lang talo. Alright, let's see kung magbabago.
Mm.
Pagpasok natin sa set number 3. We'll be back on GTV. Simulcast on Heart of Asia.